Hi guys, Rex Gaming this side. We are selling 8-ball pool hack for both iOS and Android device. It has many features such as aim assist, long line, antenna, main ID 100% safe, and the best part is recording hide. Recording hide means if you are a competitive player and when you stream or record the clips, the hack won't be visible in it. Regarding the installation is very easy. You don't need any PC or any third party application. It will be just one tap installation. The hack is working very perfect. So what are you waiting for? Go in my comment section or description, join my Telegram channel and message me at Rex Gaming DM. Hurry up.